Man, I'm tired. Hardware. I don't know if they're even going to have this stuff anymore. I don't see anything there. So I got to put a sign posting on the wall. Take the hammer drill and bore back into that rock face about a foot and put two of these little pop-out things that I want to find. 14-inch threaded rod, beat them in and torque them down so it won't go nowhere. That kind of looks like it. And of course, all the threaded rod's gone. That figures. This stuff right there might work. In fact, it might work pretty good. Beat that in that rock face. It ain't gonna come back out of there. What's that called? Hollow wall anchors. That'd be a 3/4 inch drill bit though. And it might hold good. I need to go way back in here though. That's what I want right there. But these I know will not pop loose. When the crappy county maintenance or the cabin maintenance comes by and tries tearing them off, these won't pull back loose. That's a good size, but I want the footlongs. Yeah, that's a good size right there. But I want to go for I need 4 of them. Drill the hole, punch it in there. Punch it in there. This will open up and it cannot come back out. I really don't need them that big, honestly. I ain't like it's holding up any pressure. These are 5/16, and that'll make it. I can use a 1/2 inch drill bit. That'd be fine. Whatever you got. That one don't work already. All right. So 5/16 threaded rod. I do not have none. They got any of my letters in yet. Need a C. Nope. Still got the S's. Still got the adapters. Nope, that's nothing I need. Oh, you was hiding.
How you doing?
Without God is possible. Good, good shirt. I'm doing good.
Alright, how much are they?
49 cents a piece.
And do you have an H3 one?
I do not. Throwing away. Thank you.
There you go. And the bags are right there for you.
Thank you.
Here we go.
I guess I should go cash these checks so I can buy the mulch I need. Yep. Well, I need some thread and rod, like a stick of it, so I can cut it in 14-inch long pieces.